Who and what is Liberty Carton?
We started in 1918. Our first employee was a horse named Dan. My great-grandfather always jokes that we owned half a horse, and he was a Russian immigrant that came over. And back then there was no such thing as corrugated boxes. It was all wooden crates, and he would walk the streets of Minneapolis picking up old wooden crates and then refurbishing them in his cousin's garage and selling them to the local manufacturers in town. Today we are a full-line manufacturer of corrugated and also corrugated paper. We have 2 sheet plants and 2 full-line corrugators with a paper mill and a sheet feeder in Los Angeles, California. The main thing that I think differentiates us is that we look at every opportunity as a different opportunity, and so we're looking at every single customer and saying what is best for them, not as what is best for us. Not this is what we make, what do you want, and how much do you want of it? It's what do you want, and we'll figure out a way to make it. And with all the different capabilities that we have on the floor and all the different plants that we have throughout North America, including our paper mill, we can do pretty much anything the customer wants us to do. But we're also small enough to understand what the customer's needs are and very flexible to be able to play in many, many different markets, and there really isn't anything that we cannot do.
Four generations of stability, making us big enough to solve any problem, while small enough to care about every customer. What makes Liberty Carton Company different?
At Liberty Carton, we have the advantage of being able to really address the specific need that you have and address it with the right substrate. Because we're not just a corrugator, but we're a packaging solution company. We have corrugated to rely on, we have cushion packaging, we have wood and plastic when we need to. Our advantage as a corrugator with a paper mill is that we can both service small orders and larger orders. We control that corrugating process. We're better suited to do longer runs, have a wide variety of equipment to address all quantity ranges of packaging. We can also act as a sheet plant and make adjustments quickly to the size of the customer and the size of the order. Sometimes we refer to ourselves as an independent with a paper mill. We always have paper, you know we're always going to have paper. We're doing it here, we're trimming, we can be more responsive to your need. We're not waiting for someone to provide sheets for us in order to fulfill it. When you come to Liberty Carton for a packaging solution, you're really getting a whole team of people that are working for you. It's not just a sales rep or a customer service person servicing you, but a whole team of designers, project managers, production people, quality, our Six Sigma team. Everyone works together to fulfill the requirements that the customer is looking for and to help provide the solution that there's there. So when you work with Liberty, you're really getting a whole team package in solving your problem. It allows the customer to get served in a way that's most advantageous for them and what fits their business needs. We have some customers that maybe their second shift night person puts in an order and it's not conducive to calling a customer service person here. They can use the Emotion tool and enter an order at any time they want. Same way with EDI and some of the other electronic data interchanges. we have a lot of control, and all the people that touch your order are right here. It allows us to go beyond just thinking of ourselves as a paper company or a box company. That's the major advantage I see for our customers, is that you get a complete packaging solution from us that you may not get with a larger supplier, or maybe an integrated corrugated supplier that isn't looking at total packaging needs, but just the problems that they can solve using paper. We can solve your packaging problems with paper and beyond.
A comprehensive approach to providing solutions for customers. How does Liberty Paper help our customers? As part of the Liberty family of companies, Liberty Paper enables Liberty Carton to adapt to meet the exact needs of our customers, while providing ourselves with an uninterrupted source of high-quality paper.
We're very flexible. We're a small mill. We run grades from 23 pound up to 56 pound, but we're also willing to customize grades for our customers.
We are innovative. We are constantly changing. We are always looking for ways to improve what we're doing. We're improving our processes.
And there's constant feedback with the customer, to see what their needs are.
And we do this while offering paper for linerboard, which is made from 100% recycled materials.
200,000 tons. That's not going to the landfill. It's huge.
Because we are a specialized paper mill, we are able, on request, to make weights and grades of paper simply not available elsewhere, including high-performance lightweight papers, which maintain strength while removing large amounts of fiber.
Our raw material comes in on trailers of OCC, which is basically old corrugated containers, boxes, that then go to our pulper conveyor and are brought up to our pulper, which is essentially a giant blender.
From here, the pulp goes through multiple stages of cleaning before entering our state-of-the-art paper machine.
And then the paper gets smooth and it's wound down to reels that are about 25 tons each. And from that point on, they're carried down to the winder and cut into smaller rolls, which average about 3 tons apiece.
Our numerous certifications establish our high level of quality and consistency, as well as a proven dedication to true sustainability. How else does Liberty Paper help its customers?
What makes Liberty Paper different than, I think, other paper mills is the care. We care about our customers.
If something comes up where a customer calls us and they are just, in dire needs, in an emergency, we have the ability to cut in and insert another basis weight run. You don't see that with a lot of the bigger paper mills. They have a calendar and you fit into it, and that's just the way it is. So I think that really makes us stand out to our customers.
Liberty Paper, one of the many advantages offered to Liberty Carton customers and to other box makers nationwide. What can Liberty's fulfillment and assembly division do for you?
Our fulfillment operation is just another added value to our customer. We want to make a one-stop shop for them. We can bring in different types of components to meet the customer's needs at any given time.
We are a packaging solutions provider. We're not out to just sell a plain brown box. We're out to understand and identify your needs and expectations to be a complete packaging solutions provider for you. And that includes not just the box, it might include all the other facets of things that we can do.
Over here in our fulfillment operation, it can expand on a daily basis from 40 employees to 100. We do whatever we need to do to fulfill our customers' needs. Our packaging can range from assembling foam, wood, plastic, to regular kitting. You can see large roll-ups where they're rolling the box up. This is an insert that's going to go inside of another carton for our customer. This is just one step of the process to put the full project together.
Liberty Carton has the capabilities to have the customer provide us with their product. We will do the display assembly, fulfill their product in the display, and distribute it to the distribution centers or direct to retail.
At Liberty Carton, we have probably some of the broadest capabilities in the marketplace, so that we are
a total supplier, not just a partial supplier to our customers.
More than simply packaging, Liberty Carton provides complete solutions, including fulfillment, kitting, contract packaging, all the way through to distribution and complex logistics. How can you make your retail presence pop?
Liberty Carton's able to provide a number of in-store display solutions, from PDQ trays to dump bins to floor stands. The scope of our overall services start from display design, taking into account all of the retailer's requirements, as well as making sure that we get the right amount of product that our customer wants in the display. A successful PLP is one that is easy to execute, has great velocity to market, and provides great sell-through for the manufacturer at retail. Our manufacturing capabilities on the point-of-purchase display side include everything from direct print to full litho lamination to silkscreen to digitally printed to just about any type of graphic application necessary. We will review the display, the quantities, and the desired graphics and determine the most cost-effective solution for our customers. Most of our display solutions are able to be assembled and loaded and shipped retail ready. So when it arrives at the retailer, all they have to do is remove it from the shipper, and it is ready to it's fully executed.
Unique point-of-purchase solutions from Liberty Carton Company. How does Liberty's in-house design set us apart? At Liberty Carton's main facility outside Minneapolis, we have a large design department, incorporating graphic as well as structural designers. Our depth and experience.
We have over 150 years of experience
in just the structural design area gives us the ability to create unique designs to satisfy the most exacting customer needs.
Coming to work in design is different every day. You get a variety of different projects. Typically in a month we'll deal with maybe over 1,000 designs, and each one being different in its own ways.
Our graphic design department is able to adapt your artwork to packaging or create custom designs to meet your requirements.
Basically what we can do is, with our design effort, is we can design a new box that takes out material, but the box still has the same strength characteristics as the previous box, but when that reduction takes place, we can reduce the cost for the customer.
Our design program enables us to take a two-dimensional design and create a 3D package. We use the latest technologies to help our customers visualize what the final product's going to be like.
Liberty Carton Company, structural and graphic designers, creating unique solutions to solve individual problems. Tell us what you need.